everyone, welcome to our channel. It would help if you prepared the floor properly before laying any PVC flooring. You must make sure that there is no dust or dirt on the surface. Measure the length and width of the room, add an extra 6 inches to both measurements to account for waste. Start in one corner of the room and unroll the vinyl sheeting. Apply pressure to the sheet with a rubber float to adhere it to the subfloor. Work your way across the room, using a square notched trowel to spread vinyl adhesive on the subfloor. Cut the vinyl sheeting to size with a utility knife or power saw. Peel away the backing from the vinyl sheeting and place it on the floor. Use a jigsaw to trim the vinyl sheet flooring to fit around obstacles in the room, such as doors and posts. Use a rolling pin or hand roller to smooth out any bubbles in the vinyl sheet flooring. When cutting a PVC sheet, you can use a ruler, straight edge to mark the cut line with a black pen on the back of the sheet. Then cut along the line with a saw blade. During installation, we recommend you use glue or adhesive tape on the back of each piece of PVC sheet to make it fixed more firmly. PVC sheets are available in a variety of colors and patterns, making it easy to find one that matches the decor of your floor.